Welcome friends. In this tutorial, we will create one database using our MySQL workbench. First of all, go to the local instance MySQL connection and double click on that. This will ask us for the username and password for our MySQL server. Here, type the password that we have entered while installing our MySQL database server. In my case, it is ABCD. I will check Save Password in Vault. You also can do this if you are working with just development purpose. Then click OK. It will open up this very nice user interface for our MySQL development. So let's create a database. To create a database, there is a very simple query which is create database and then the database name. So let's say users. So create database users will create one database which has the name users. And let's run this query. You can press F5 to run this query, or you can click on this button to run or execute the query. As you can see, after refreshing, we have got one more database here, which is users, which we have just created. This is how we can create a new database. Now let's look inside this database. Click on this little button. It will open up all the elements in our database, which are table, views, or routines. As we just have created this database and there is no content in that database, everything seems to be empty. Now let's remove this database. To delete or remove a database, there is one simple query which is drop database and then the database name. Press F5 or click on this execute button. And now when we refresh this, you can see our database is gone. That means we have successfully dropped that database. So this is how we can create a new database and drop any existing database.